YouTube. It's cold out here. Well, I ain't even gonna hold you. Get a couple cold starts. I don't know when the last time I started the charger. Get a whole cold start of this baby too. Oh. To be continued. Let's try this jump box out. YouTube, what's goody? It's your boy Southside Nate, and today we back on this OBS, man. It's time to go ahead and get this baby running. I know y'all just seen them cold starts, boy. It's cold out here. I ain't even gonna hold you. But this is what we got going on today. Now I got a few pieces that I'm gonna put on this truck to see if I can get it running. This right here is a new fuel pump. I don't know how that sending unit look yet, but I got a fuel pump for it. Got a fuel filter. I got some wheel cylinders for the rear brakes. And I also got these right here. These are the self-adjusters that's in the back brakes. So I guess they like connect to the e-brake and stuff. I'll show y'all that once I take it apart. But I'm gonna be replacing the wheel cylinders and these adjusters. Another thing I got, this is the fuel injectors that was on the engine of my Caprice. So I went and snatched this off because I know this worked fine. These are the injectors. They look just like the one that's up under the hood of this. So I'm gonna check these out first. Hell, I might even go ahead and just swap that out too, just for the hell of it. Since I got it. Look at that one right there. I mean, she black, full of carbon. So what I want to do, I'm gonna clean this out. I think I'm gonna take this off. I need to check to make sure that these getting some power too to the injectors. Gotta check that too. But yeah, man, that's what I'm at. I think I'm gonna start with the wheel cylinders. Start on these wheels. I really want to move it over there so I'll be able to jack it up and get up under it better. So yeah, I'm gonna start with these wheels. So let me get my jack out, get everything set up. I'm gonna snatch these wheels back off. That's for the passenger side. I'm gonna start over here. I got my jack stands too though. Oh yeah. But I'm still gonna start on the passenger side. Yeah, let me get my everything set up and I'll cut y'all back on. All right, I got this baby jacked up. See, I got the jack stands down there. My bro got the big boys. I should have grabbed my smaller ones though. I ain't needed to go up that high. But I know the last time I was messing with it, I just had the back jacked up for the diff, but kind of suspicious. I'm gonna go ahead and snatch this towel so we can get a look at what we gotta do. I know when you go in there and push the pedal, it's very, very stiff. So I don't know. But what I might do, I might just go and take the other drum off just so I can move this truck. I want to move it from over there. I don't know, let me do some brainstorming and I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, you two, y'all see I got this baby moved. It is go time. It is go time. Now I got some room. It's time to get busy. Alright, YouTube. I put this radiator back in here because every time I would try to start it, it was shooting out transmission fluid out of these lines. I don't want to make a mess, and I don't want all the transmission fluid to come out. So yeah, I hooked that back up, got everything hooked back up, transmission lines, the hoses. I unhooked the fuel lines from the fuel injectors, or from the throttle body. I'm gonna try to start it now and see if some fluid come out of them lines, but I can look and tell them lines look dry as ever in the inside. All right, nothing definitely ain't coming out them lines. So yeah. So before I change this out, I'm gonna get down there, check out that fuel pump. I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna replace that fuel pump and that fuel filter. Check out that sending unit. Perfect. And go from there. Okay, YouTube, this is where I'm at with it. I got the tank, both of the scraps down. Now I just gotta bust them lines loose. Already got the connector disconnected, got the ground wire disconnected. Now I just gotta get those fuel lines loose. It should be down. It's always boiled down to my tools. So the big one and the small one. Now I got both of these, but they ain't working. So I basically need a 20 mil and a 16 mil to get them lines loose. Man, it'd be nice if I had something like this that was the right size. Now look, I got a 21, I got a 19, I got a 17, but I got 13, 14, 15, I got everything but a 20 and a 16, yo. So I'm gonna end up going to buy one. Well, buy two. Versus sitting down here for an hour fighting with it. And I can go buy them 2 wrenches and I have it off in 3 minutes. Cause the wrenches will be long enough to where I can work. Now I can get these 2 adjustable ones up there. I just ain't got enough room to move my hands in there. But yeah, that's where I'm at, man. The tank almost down. I gotta get that other clamp on this filler net loose too. The clamp on the big one. I already got that small clamp right there loose. I just gotta get the clamp on the big one loose. That way I don't have to pull this part all the way out or damage it trying to pull it all the way out. Yeah, that's where I'm at, man. To be continued. We about to go get us a Christmas tree. So I'll probably shoot all those on while we out getting the tree and grab the wrenches. And then when I get back, we snatching this tank up out of here. Cause the center unit coming today. So I'll go ahead and get that tank up out of here now. Once the center unit get here, I can go ahead and slap her right in the right in the truck. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that bubble look good on them Jones, yo. I better stop playing with the bubble. The bubble look good on them. Yes, sir. Well, yeah, man. Let me put all these tools up because I don't need them. Put all the tools that I don't need up. And I'll cut y'all back on when I get back with the right tools. Go ahead and snatch this down.
That's not Santa, Zari. That's a different person. Person! Person!
You guys know what size screw you're looking for today?
Nah, we just gonna browse right quick. Come on, Bubba. Go pick out a tree.
These are a little big.
28%. Bubba, you act like you don't want to walk in your shoes. You can get down the river run with your sister.
Filming.
They're right here talking about, Daddy, can we run? I said, yeah, we outside. Ain't like you inside a store or something. Yes, ma'am. All right, you too. I got that baby down. Piece of work. Piece of work. When I unhook that baby, ain't no fluid or nothing pop out of them lines. Yeah, so she been dry for a while. Let me get this for the groundwater. Yeah, so she been dry for a while. So got the pump down. Damn. So I got the tank down. Sending unit should be here soon. I'm gonna put that new pump on it. And I might put it back in here tonight. I ain't even gonna hold you. Cut y'all back on when we're making some more progress. Ooh-wee. Okay, I got this tank out. Ooh-wee. From the looks of this, it's all OEM. Know the tank OEM. But that don't look like it's ever been touched. Yeah. You don't really feel like much gas in it. I think I'm gonna move it over here to the tailgate. It's a new fuel pump that I got. And this the sending unit that I ordered off Amazon. Now, I thought it was just the sending unit, but this actually got a pump on it. Yeah, it got good reviews, but I'm not gonna use this pump. I'm gonna use this pump. All right, that's a tray that that baby sit in. I'm gonna clean that out before I put it back. Definitely gotta clean this off before I open it. Stupid dirty. Stupid. Okay, so I got a good amount of it cleaned up. Yeah. Now I'm about to start, see if I can get the center unit on. I think I'm gonna have to keep this piece right here. But the rest of the center unit can go. See, this is why I love the internet. This is what everybody was saying. That hose, going on. Turn the key, you can hear the pump. But it won't connect, it won't push nothing out. That's what a lot of people were saying online. But like the only problem with this truck is this. So yeah, that's the old center unit. Old gasket on there. I don't need nothing off this, absolutely nothing. It's right here, straight trash. Got a full replacement for the center unit. And I know most people replace the center unit too because they say they float don't work, the gas needle don't work. So that's the main reason why I just got the whole center unit, because initially I was just gonna replace the pump. But I'm like, damn. And you can tell this is a stock center unit. But yeah, that's gone. Inside the tank, shit, don't look too bad. Does not look too bad. Let me get a rag and see if I can clean the rest of that out. Let me get a rag and see if I can clean the rest of that out. All right, so now that I got that out and out the way, yeah, it's time to bust out this new center unit. sir. Yes, sir. Brand spanky. Oh yeah. I'm gonna take that pump off. Okay, so I gotta get a strainer for this. I gotta get a fuel pump strainer for this. I'm about to shoot around here. This came off the fuel pump that was on the box. But this right here look like if I pull it off, I'm not gonna be able to get it back on. Like it's kind of made up there like this one was onto the pump that's on the box. It came off the box. So yeah, I think I'm about to shoot around here to this Advanced Auto right quick. Get a strainer for this. Take this with me. Cut y'all back on in a second. All right, what I'm gonna do, YouTube, I ain't gonna worry about going to get that strainer right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this in here with this set up just to get this baby back running. And what I do, cause I do plan on doing an LS swap down the line, so all this gonna be getting redone anyway. So I'm about to go ahead and install this center unit and get this tank back in the truck. Let's get it.
Perfect.
YouTube, I got that baby back up in there. Hold on, like, I gotta find a I'm gonna order a new screw for that scrap over here. Cause when I got the truck, that scrap was already down. It is a pile of screws in there. I might see if it's in there, but I doubt it. But I got the tank back up, got the fuel net hooked back up. Got the fuel net hooked back up. Scrap, that one scrap over there hooked up. The lines hooked up, the connector, got it grounded. Now I'm about to swap out this fuel filter right quick. Damn. That was loose. I mean, no gas coming out of nothing I touched. This bitch dry. Okay, hold on. Yeah, y'all can see. Okay. Okay. Still replacing it. This is the new one I got. AutoZone. Alright. Say flow that way. Well, I cannot wait to break this baby down and clean it. Alright. Fuel filter on. Alright, so new center unit, new fuel filter. This baby should send some fluid up top. Now I got them lines on the hook up there. Put this rag right here up under them lines. Turn this key. See if we got some fuel coming up here. See what we got going on. I think I still want to take this throttle body apart and clean it, man. I mean, it's right. I don't even know how much gas in the tank. Might have to go get some gas. Let's see if we can hear this fuel pump prime. I'm gonna have to use the camera. I think I heard it. I don't know, YouTube. Still ain't nothing coming up out of there. I don't know how much fuel in there. I don't know how much fuel in that tank. I don't even know if it's catching that. Might have to put some fuel in there. I can hear something sound like it's pumping air. Ain't nothing coming out these lines though. I'm gonna go get some fuel and try it again. Alright, YouTube, it's the moment of the truth now. Put some gas in it. You damn sure want no gas in that tank. I be tripping. I was editing the video, and on the video I was saying something like, I don't know how much gas is in the tank. There's no gas in the tank. That tank was light as hell. I could pick that tank up like it won't nothing. Let's see if I can get most of this in here without spilling it. It's already spilling out. Gas costs too much. You be just wasting. You would think the damn can would get lighter as you pouring it. I swear it's getting heavier. Shit. Too early for this. Get up in there. Ooh, ooh, we got action. YouTube, we got action. Damn, I ain't putting enough paper up here. Y'all see that? She pumping fuel up there, now I can hook them lines back up to that throttle body. And we'll see if the fuel injector shooting anything out. See if this baby will fire up. I gotta get a belt for it. And I got some antifreeze I'm gonna put in it. And some transmission fluid I'm gonna put in it. But yeah, we got action, baby. Not play with me. I'm about to have this baby running. I just put some antifreeze in here. She definitely gonna need a new radiator. But I got the fuel lines hooked back up. Let's see if something come out in the fuel injectors. Ooh. Ooh. That baby about to fire up. My camera's sturdy enough. I don't want it to get damaged. Oh, this baby wanna fire up. Hoses and nothing in the way. Is nothing going on. Chill. I gotta look at the camera and see what it was doing. All right, YouTube, I just went in there and did some research. So there's a few things I gotta check out. The distributor cap and all the sensors that's hooked up to it. I think it's a mass airflow sensor, throttle positioning sensor, and an idle air control valve or a sensor or whatever. But yeah. And I'm gonna take that throttle body apart and clean it. Like it's just stupid gunked up there. I'm gonna end this video off with me getting fuel to the front of it. That was one of the main things. Now I got her to the point where she's ready to fire up. So it shouldn't be much for me to go and get this baby fired up. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order. I've been online, I seen a distributor cap that come with some wires. I think I'm gonna go ahead and order that. Go ahead and get new spark plugs, order all them sensors. Go and get this baby to refresh so I can get it up and running like I want it. But yeah, the fuel pump good. That center unit I put up there cost like 48 bucks. So yeah, man, that's where I'm at with it. Just from looking at it, it don't seem like as much. I think I'm gonna take that whole throttle body off. Might not need to go that far. Might just need to take that top part up there where the fuel injectors is at. Just take all that off and then clean it. I might start there. But I am gonna get all the sensors for it. And the distributor, I think I just wanna go ahead and order a new distributor. That line like this, ain't no telling how old this stuff is. Got zip ties on the lines though. I don't know, I like to start fresh. I'm gonna have to get a radiator too. I'm gonna have this baby running soon though. Getting closer and closer. Closer and closer. Yes, sir. As soon as I get it running though, I'm gonna take this baby to Aunt house and I'm gonna clean every inch of this. I mean, she got some gunk down there. Truck got almost 300,000 miles on it. 296. I ain't even see it. Oh, damn. I ain't even check and see if the fuel gauge worked. Nah, ain't nothing move over there with the fuel gauge at. See, she wanna run, man. I think it's no fuel injector. That baby wanna fire up now. I better stop playing with her. She wanna fire up now. I gotta get somebody out here to help me. Mama in there knocked out. I need to get somebody to start it so I can look at it while I start it. But she damn sure want to do something. See what I mean? She act like she wanna. I can't diagnose it correctly by myself though. I can't see what she doing for real. That baby wanna fire up though. I mean, she close. Boy, she close. Y'all hop down there in the comments and let me know what y'all think it is. The comments be coming through, man. The comments be coming through. Somebody said something about that little holes on that fuel pump. And that's exactly what it was. Cause the fuel pump that was up here was working. It just won't, the little holes that connected to the pump to the pickup tube, that thing was gone. But yeah, man, y'all drop down in them comments and let me know what y'all think it might be. I don't see nothing disconnected. Everything seems to be connected. Y'all let me know what y'all think it might be. No, this little thing clicked down there. That baby want to do something now. I feel good about it, man, cause from the little starting, from what it's trying to do, I don't hear no knocking in the engine or nothing. It's been parked here for a while. Other than all the grime and stuff under the bottom, I really can't see like it got no leaks or nothing. When I was putting fluid in this radiator, it was some fluid coming out over there somewhere. So I'm gonna replace that radiator. But yeah, man, I'm anxious as hell. I'm gonna get this baby fired up. That's a fact. Going there, I'll probably go ahead and upload this so I can get some feedback from y'all. But I'm gonna do my research, see what I can find out. See what all I can find out about it. But yeah, this baby about to be running, dog. This baby about to be running. That's my mission for 2024. I want all my cars running. Go ahead and get this running. Summer rain will be running soon. That's my mission for 2024. All my cars running, then I can just focus on making them look real pretty. Making them look real pretty like. But like I said, man, I'm gonna get this running. I'm gonna drive it around with that engine in there for a little while. I'm gonna find me a 5.3. It'd be nice if I could find me a donor truck. I'm gonna tell you the good thing about them donor trucks. Good thing about them donor trucks is you can get your money back. Snatch the drivetrain out on, and then park the rest of it out. All I need from a donor truck is the drivetrain. I'll probably make the wire harness for this the same way I did my OBS. Well, I might get a Hollywood, man. Them things be backstock so goddamn long. And there's other brands too, so we'll figure it out. But if I get a donor truck, yeah, if I get a donor truck, I'll probably just do the wire harness myself again. It's simple. There's a guy on YouTube, he do it wire for wire. Long video, all you gotta do is sit down, follow his steps. Simple. It's very simple. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. Hop in them comments, yo. Let me know what y'all think. Oh yeah, I gotta go ahead and order that other bolt for that tank too. I can go ahead and scrap her up. Ain't gotta worry about her coming back down. I don't check it, ain't nothing leaking back there. So that's sweet. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. The issue is, cause she that close. She turning over real good. Sounding like she wanna rumble. I'm thinking it's that throttle body and the fuel injector, so I'm just gonna start there. Clean that up, place them sensors, boom. See what she do. If that don't do it, I'm gonna hop on that distributor cap. So far from the little research I done, those are like the main things. Once you can get fuel to the fuel injectors, make sure the fuel injectors and the throttle body is clean, and the distributor cap. Yeah, it's go time. Y'all already know. Get that bowl, man. I just dropped a video of me test fitting these wheels. boy, the lineup gonna be a problem. Gonna be a problem. But yeah, man, to be continued. So y'all stay tuned. It's coming. To be continued. I mean, I'm this close. That close. That close. That close for this baby to be fired up. I'm gonna tell y'all too now. This is a good thing about having multiple cars. Cause when I do get this baby running, we gonna have some fun with this. Especially with me knowing that I'm gonna replace that engine, we gonna have some fun with this. I mean, it's gonna be some motherfucking burnout content with this. We gonna see what this stock engine can do. We gonna have some fun. While I'm cleaning it up, getting it ready, man, we gonna have some fun with them. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. I ain't gonna do too much more talking. I'm out. Peace.